Unlock the full potential of your Windows 10 experience by ensuring it's properly activated, and I'll show you exactly how. First, let's understand why activation is crucial. Activating Windows 10 confirms that your copy is genuine and hasn't been used on more devices than the Microsoft software license terms allow, granting you access to all features, updates, and no nagging notifications. To begin, navigate to your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then the gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key and I simultaneously. Once in Settings, click on Update and Security in the left-hand menu. You'll see an option for activation. Select that to proceed. On the activation page, you'll see your current activation status. If your Windows is already activated, you'll see a confirmation, but if it's not, don't worry, there are a few ways to fix this. The most common method is using a product key. If you purchased a retail copy of Windows, your 25-character product key should be on a sticker or in an email. Click Change Product Key and carefully enter your key exactly as it appears. Enter all 25 characters, including hyphens, and then click Next. Windows will then attempt to connect to Microsoft servers to validate your key. If entering a product key doesn't work, or if you're reactivating on the same hardware, you might have a digital license. This is automatically linked to your Microsoft account if you're encountering issues. Look for the Troubleshoot option. This can often automatically diagnose and fix activation problems. The Troubleshooter will guide you through a few simple questions for a digital license. It might prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account to verify your license if you recently made a significant hardware change, like replacing your motherboard. The Troubleshooter can also help you reactivate using your digital license. Once activated, you'll see a clear message confirming that Windows is activated with a digital license or your product key. Congratulations! You've now successfully activated your Windows 10 and unlocked all its features.